birth of the Muslim League. The Muslim leaders felt very happy. Taking advantage of such a situation, the Nawab of Dhaka, Salimullah Khan, proposed the formation of an organization which would exclusively look into the interests of the Muslims. बोला ऐसा बनाइए जो हम लोग का तो कोई इंटरेस्ट देखता नहीं है. It should look into the interests of the Muslims only. The All India Muslim League was formally founded on 13th December 1906. The British welcomed the formation of the league and they were successful in their effort to keep the Muslims away from the mainstreams of the बोलचे बड़े ब्रिटिश लोग चाह रहा है कि मुस्लिम लीग ये दे दो ताले ये लोग कांग्रेस में और भाग नहीं लेंगे. एक्चुअली कांग्रेस तो हमारा खिलाफ जा रहा है. ब्रिटिश लोग सोचा तो मुस्लिम लीग को अलग कर दो तो दे वोंट पार्टिसिपेट इन द कांग्रेस. सो the half the people will only agitate against us. Then came the Morley Minto reforms in 1909. The Viceroy Lord Minto and the Secretary of the State for India, John Morley, realized that mere repression would not end the trouble. खाली repress करके हम लोग नहीं रख सकते हैं ये लोग को ज़्यादा दिन. Because the partition of Bengal created a lot of the India, but Bengal will be part of the announcement only, created a lot of trouble. So they thought that to try to pacify करना पड़ेगा Indians को, है शांत रखने के लिए कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा, by enacting the Indian Councils Act in 1909. And this act is popularly known as the Morley-Minto Reform. The Indian Councils Act जेटा Morley-Minto Reform increased the size of the imperial and provincial both legislatures का size बढ़ा दिया. That provided for separate representation of the Muslims. Central में भी अलग representation होगा, state legislatures में बस state तो कुनो है नहीं, provincial legislatures में अलग representation. This principle was filled with shaitani mischief. It struck a fatal blow. माने पूरा unity of India टके नष्ट कर दिया. क्योंकि आगे ना भी होतो ना, हिंदू बाड़ी पाशे मुस्लिम बाड़ी, both the children played together. एकदम there was a sense of माने brotherhood, fraternity. माने यही जे Morley-Minto reform शैतानी करके यही जो दोनों legislature अलग कर दिया, इसको समझाया कि तुम लोग को ये मुस्लिम लोग फंसाने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं, मुस्लिम्स को समझाया हिंदूज लोग तुम लोग को representation नहीं देता करके पूरा अलग करके देखो आज तक we still have that sense of agitation against the Muslims, right? Muslims feel the same against the Hindus. So, from the day of that decision, after that, the country never had communal peace till now. Finished.